On euro, they've just run a previous day's low, so maybe you can watch this one on the 5-minute chart and then maybe get a scalp of it as well. So you want to mark out your short-term high like this, and then once you break that high, wait for the pullback and then you buy. Just look for a 1-to-1 or a 2-to-1. Okay, so if price breaks above that high, okay, price breaks above that high, wait for the pullback, buy it, look for a 1-to-1, 2-to-1, and then you'll be done. All right, don't look for more than it can give you, because we are not in that condition. Okay, so that's the euro. Euro yen, let's have a look on the H4. Okay, I think euro yen has given big sign that it wants to also drop. With a closer below this, probably they might take it down here, right? So if today closes as it is, they might want to take price down here. So that could be another trade that we can watch for going into tomorrow. So they've taken out the short-term high and breaking this low, so it might come back up for a pullback, and with that pullback you look to sell short. So I'll say 618 level, right? 618 level, stop above the high, and you're looking for this level as your downside objective. Or let's measure this one and see where 2% will be. Right, 2% will bring us here. So let's see if we pull back into the range. That will be your first target, and then second target will be your optimal trade entry, basically targeting this low. So your Fibonacci from low to high, selling at 618, stop loss just above this fair value gap, targeting, I've deleted that fib again, targeting the 2%. But you're always gonna take TP once we go below this low, okay, because that's the external range. So price goes up, comes back down, that's your first target always. So we're gonna look for pullback and then move back down. Oops,